so the million-dollar question is, how much did it cost to build Steel Vengeance? And I am unable to disclose the exact dollar amount that we'll spend, but it's a lot. So with that being said, I will open it up to any questions, and hopefully I have an answer. So the question is, where exactly will we enter the queue? The queue will be to the left of where the old used to be. You'll see a big rockwork concrete structure, and it's right next to that where the queue entered. So we're reutilizing the Main Street station and making the modifications necessary to it to accommodate the new trains. We're in the process of installing all the mechanical equipment and devices, and along with that is the electrical controls and power systems. So we're where we are and where we need to be on this project. So things are looking good. Trains are in progress and will be on site shortly. As far as I know, all the seats are the same, and all the restraint systems are the lap bar system. So where we're at on the lift hill, you might see a couple workers up there working on it. They're installing the anti-rollback device and the chain troughs. So that's currently in progress. So the commissioning will begin in the near future as well. So things are looking good from a ride standpoint, and being able to land this where it needs to be. So the general area, it will be very similar to what Main Street used to be. You'll cross the tracks where you did in the past. As you cross the tracks, you'll see a ride entry rockwork structure, which is our main ID sign, real neat, real themed towards the Frontier Town appeal. You'll enter the queuing area, and the queuing area will be on the infield of the roller coaster. So since we have deprivation in there, we've had to snake the queue line around that to make sure that we have the capacity. The entire structure will be lit up similar to what it was before, but the lift hill will have a surprise that I'm unable to disclose at this time. The restraint system on this coaster is a lap bar system. It is not an over-the-shoulder system, but there is redundant safety mechanisms in place to ensure the safety of all our guests. We will reuse the existing photo booth. We'll give it, we'll dress it up a little bit, make it look real nice and fit the theming. The unique thing about this ride is there's 2 photo opportunities for fun pics. You'll have your still photo, and we will offer a short video clip on this roller coaster, similar to Mystic Timbers, yes. Yeah, so the question is, will the trains differ in name and appearance? The appearance will be slightly different. It helps us identify the train. But as far as naming, I don't know if they have their individual names. I believe Maverick has their own. So the question was, is the Main Street sign, the old ride sign, going into, for photos, going into melt? And I believe so. For loose articles, there will be lockers and no bins. So as you cross the tracks to your right, you'll see the lockers. Okay, so the question is, the controls of, how much braking is done in the mid-course brake run. And that's all determined on several factors in terms of temperatures, affects it, speed affects it, weight of train. So as it enters the mid-course brake run, there's sensors that read its speed so that it tells the computer how much to brake and how much to slow that train down. So it's a control mechanism.
Thank you.
So yeah, thank you for your questions.